Hello, I am Nahida and welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a rich and silky dessert, caramel milk sago pudding with soft tapioca pearls, smooth custard and a shiny caramel top. This one is melt in the mouth delicious. This pudding combines two classics, caramel custard and sago kheer into one delightful treat. Let's begin. In a pan, add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of water. Cook it on medium heat until the sugar melts and turns into golden caramel. Carefully pour the hot caramel into a mold and swirl gently. Caramel desserts are popular across the globe, from flan in Latin America to cream caramel in Europe. Set aside. In a bowl, crack 2 eggs. Add 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can swap sugar with jaggery or honey for a healthier twist. Mix gently until the sugar dissolves. No need to beat too much. Now add 1½ cups of milk and mix well. Then add 1/3 cup of pre-boiled sago or tapioca pearls and give it a nice stir. Sago or tapioca pearls are made from the starch of cassava roots and are loved in both sweet and savory dishes worldwide. Now pour this mixture over the set caramel in the mold. This pudding uses minimal fat and no cream, making it a lighter dessert option. Boil some water in a large pot. Place the mold inside. Cover it and steam for 30 to 35 minutes on low to medium heat. Steaming the pudding creates a delicate, creamy texture without the need for baking. Let it cool down completely, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours before serving. Let the pudding chill well, it tastes much better cold and firm. Unmold and serve chilled. Your caramel milk sago pudding is ready to impress. A classic with a little twist, easy to make and absolutely beautiful to serve. Have you ever tried making pudding with sago before? Let us know in the comments. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share with your friends and subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more homemade desserts that anyone can make. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling and spread sweetness every day.